Right side?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can feel that, actually that SI joint open just a little bit there, creeping down into there.
Yeah.
All right, let's get that checked. Let's do this. Let's bring legs up first. Yes. Number one, when we do this test here, what we can see is that the right side isn't coming back as far as that left side is, which means that that sacrum on the right side is rotated, which is going to inhibit the motion of that hip moving up and down, forward and backwards. So we'll get that set first. Okay, what we'll do is we'll retest. And look at that. Knees okay?
Yeah, right there.
Anytime that those hips start to rotate, what happens a lot is there's going to be lateral stress applied upon the knees. So we're trying to make sure that that doesn't happen, prevent any of the unnecessary issues in the knee down into the ankle. That can affect your golf game too.
Yeah.
Makes you like 3 or 4 putt like me. To the right. To the left. Back to middle. You don't have that problem though.
No. Of course not.
All right. Deep breath in. All the way out.